Travelers and businesses will have the option to pay a surcharge to reduce their carbon footprint when flying. Singapore Airlines will begin offering sustainable aviation fuel credits from next month. It's a pilot by the airline with the country's Civil Aviation Authority and Temasek. The move is expected to cut emissions by 2,500 tonnes. That's equivalent to taking over 500 cars off the roads for a year. Parties involved say purchasing these credits will grow the nascent sustainable fuel industry. Customers and freight forwarders can buy credits from the airline. Forwarders can then sell the credits to their customers downstream. One analyst says this offsets some of the cost of the greener fuel, which still costs up to 4 times more than conventional jet fuel.
I would see this as a stopgap measure in the interim, whilst airlines and fuel companies and aircraft manufacturers work together to increase the ability of sustainable aviation fuels to compete competitively, at least on the price basis, with conventional jet fuel, and increase the adoption of such fuels in airlines.
A total of 1,000 credits will be available for sale, generated from 1,000 tonnes of the green fuel that SIA and Scoot flights will use. Later this year, customers can also buy a mix of green fuel credits and less expensive carbon offsets through a partnership with the carbon marketplace Climate Impact X. CIX says it's one way to get more people interested in sustainable aviation fuel at a price point they can afford.
More corporate buyers can get involved right now, do what they want to do, but at the same time send a very clear signal to the market, and demand is there, but at affordable price. And then more of these technology hopefully will become available sooner than they otherwise would have.